I'm back at the middle school HVAC heaven. Here's this airflow. It's basically rebatch Linux. On Interlink family. I would say it has a scroll compressor. It's from 2011, and it's a 3.5 ton. There's a window unit, Frigidaire, and then another one up there. There's a train mini split. It's from 2017. The data's all gone though. I'm not even sure if that's a train because it doesn't have load. There's a train mini split. This one is from 2016. That's a 1 ton, I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure that is a train too. Here's a Guardian, and it's not running. This unit actually never runs. Has a Bristol, has micro channel, which is complete junk. It's been off, it's a Sunday. It's a 3 ton from 2013. Here's a little carrier. 38 CKC, Bristol. I believe this is the same model as that Roblox player EZ12 has. Yeah, 1998 2 ton. And it's been off too. I'll cut the video and show you the next units. For these ones, Linux Merit Series. It's got a new Copeland scroll compressor. It's the logo. 3.5 ton, 2004. Yep, Linux Merit Series. There's another one. I think that is a Copeland reset, like the Easy reset. It's from 2004, and it's a 3.5 ton. Yeah, it's the same. Here's another. Yeah, it's a Douglas unit. Yes, here it is. Fujitsu Douglas unit. 1 ton. I think it's from 2019. I'm not sure. Now I'll go to the Tech 2000s on the other side of the building. Here are the Tech 2000s. Sound blanket. It's from 2001, and it's a 2 ton. And this one, I'm pretty sure it's the same. 2001 2 ton, yeah. This one's small and tall. Or tall and skinny. This one's got a new fan motor. Like I was saying, this is a Sunday, so this place is closed. Yeah, 2001, 1.5 ton. And there are those out.